to Little Thinker's studio, where stories sparkle and songs come to life. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go. Rain hadn't stopped for 3 days at Little Thinker's magic school. The gardens dripped. The sky drooped. Even the rainbow pond looked more gray than glow. Inside, kids yawned, dragged their socks, and pressed faces to foggy windows. "Rainy days are the gloomiest," said Busby, trying to fly with wet wings. "Everything's soggy," sighed Ellie, her trunk dripping from the hallway ceiling. Even Nina's crayons wouldn't color. The pages just curled from dampness. But one student wasn't sulking. Sunny the soap was bouncing down the hall, leaving a clean trail of joy. He rolled into the common room with a splash. "Good morning, muddy puddle lovers," he shouted, slipping on a rug and spinning like a top. "Sunny," said Miss Harmony. "How are you still smiling?" Sunny grinned. "Rain just means more bubble power." He flipped open his waterproof satchel. Inside, foam fans, bubble batons, mini soap fountains, and his newest invention, the portable positivity pod. He hopped onto a soggy couch. "Let's build a rainy day rescue plan," he yelled. A few kids looked up. "A what now?" asked Ellie. "A mission to flip the mood," Sunny declared. "We're gonna turn rainy into a rain-didiculous." Busby buzzed closer. "Rain-diculous?" "It means when rain gets ridiculous, we get creative." They gathered near the windows. Sunny handed out bubble hats. They don't stop the rain, but they make you look hilarious. He gave Nina a bottle of laugh lotion. When applied, it made your giggles echo like bells. Ellie got a pair of puddle-proof pajama pants. They organized stations. Sunny zipped around placing squishy mats and towel tunnels. "Station 1, he shouted. "Slippery soap sculptures. Whoever can stack the tallest bubbly creature wins. Extra points for mustaches." Busby buzzed up. "What if it collapses?" Sunny grinned. "Then it's art." "Station 2, he cheered. "Indoor raindrop races. Slide from end to end without bumping into Ellie's tail." Ellie raised an eyebrow. "That's not possible." "Exactly," said Sunny. "Station 3, he finished, tossing glitter microphones in the air. "Splash and sing karaoke." Nina grabbed one. "Do we have a duet called My Shoes Are Soggy?" "Track 2, Sunny winked. They laughed so hard that even the rain paused, just for a second. 1. Slippery soap sculptures. 2nd, indoor raindrop races on tiles. 3rd, splash and sing karaoke. Soon, the room filled with giggles, slip slides, and a few foam accidents. Even Miss Harmony joined in with a bubble crown. Milo walked in holding his sketchbook, frowned, then smiled. "Okay, I'll draw this." Later, someone knocked at the window. It was Pip, the floating squirrel, and she looked soggy. "Can I come in?" Sunny opened the door, holding an umbrella made of tinsel and toothbrushes. "Only if you like silly." She stepped inside, dripping. "I feel foggy." Ellie wrapped her in a towel. "We've got the cure." Sunny led her to a special circle. The sunshine sit spot. It had glow lamps, warm tea, and a fluffy towel thrown. "Sometimes," Sunny said softly, "rescue doesn't mean balloons and dancing. It just means, sit with me." Pip's shoulders relaxed. She smiled. Then she whispered, "Sometimes, the fog is just heavy thoughts with no one to share them with." Sunny nodded. "Then let's make this the place where fog can float away." He handed her a bubble wand. No instructions, just play. By afternoon, the whole school had joined in. The hallway echoed with joyful soap slides. Music from the karaoke room mixed with Milo's scribbles, and Busby's buzzed beatboxing. Nina passed around paper stars she'd cut from recycled notebooks. They hung them from string, forming a soft sparkle sky. The rain didn't stop. But inside, hearts got lighter. And that night, as raindrops tapped the windows like lullabies, Miss Harmony made an announcement. "Today's rainy day rescue taught us something beautiful," she said. "We can't control the clouds, but we can create the sun inside." Later that night, when most of the students had gone to bed, Sunny and Pip stood quietly under the big awning outside the common room. The rain was softer now, not pouring, but whispering. Pip held a mug of minty cocoa. Sunny had a towel around his bubbly shoulders. "Thanks," Pip said, "for noticing me in the drizzle." Sunny smiled. Rain brings out the best soap. They stood there a while, not talking much, just listening to the world drip gently. The clouds didn't clear, but somehow the night felt brighter. Thanks for laughing and splashing, little thinkers. We hope you enjoyed Sunny's rainy day rescue. Remember, you don't have to wait for sunshine to feel warm. Sometimes you are the weather. Now it's time for a bubbly, cozy tune. Song title, You Bring the Sun. Let's sing it together. And now, are you ready to sing with us? Let's go to our special song, just for you.
Rainy days can feel so gray. No bright colors, no sun ray. But then you come with a silly grin, and suddenly the fun begins. You bring the sun, even when it pours, with bubble hats and sliding floors. You shine so bright when skies are blue, but also when they're rainy too. But you don't wait for clouds to clear. bring the sun, you light the way. On rainy, foggy, splashy days, you're not just weather, you're the proof that joy can live beneath any roof. You bring the sun, you light the way. On rainy, foggy, splashy days, you're not just weather, you're the proof that joy can live beneath any roof. Can we dance in puddles? Yes. Can we splash in your soggy dress? What if clouds come back today? Then we'll sing them all away. You bring the sun, you light the way. On rainy, foggy, splashy days, you're not just weather, you're the proof that joy can live beneath any roof.
Thanks for listening to Little Thinker Studio. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and come back soon for another fun story and song. Bye-bye, Little Thinkers.